So Sari's gonna do... What are you going to do? Sari's gonna learn about...
Numbers and letters.
letters. Okay, so I'll show Sari a picture and then we'll tell her what letter the picture starts with.
Apple.
Okay, Sari, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Mom, make it.
So what's it in the picture?
Apple.
Apple. So apple starts with the letter
A.
A. Good job, Sari. Put A there.
Right up here.
Okay, can you fix it?
Right upside down.
Alright, just fix it for mommy. The next picture is
Banana.
a banana, and banana starts with the letter
B.
B. Good job. Here you go. Fix it, please.
Upside down.
Yes, upside down.
Look at here.
Okay, so you have A and B. The next picture is what is this?
Crocodile.
A crocodile, and crocodile starts with the letter
A.
C.
C.
So let's see. The next picture is... let's see if Sari knows this. What is this, Sari?
A reindeer.
It's a deer. Good job.
You look like mommy.
Looks like a mommy deer?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Can you try and fix it? So Sari's arranging them according to the right order. This is the next picture. Sari, what is this?
Elephant.
Elephant. Elephant starts with the letter
A.
E. So you've got A, B, C, D, E. What would...
One. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. That's right. You've got 5 letters already. This is the next picture.
And that's number. I need the count.
You want to count them?
No, 1.
Okay.
No, 2.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's right. So this is the next picture, Sari. Do you know what that is?
Maybe a iguana.
Looks like an iguana.
A lizard.
It's actually a frog.
A frog.
What sound does it make? A frog.
Rabbit.
Ribbit. Ribbit. Let's put it under A. Oh no, Sari, it's a frog. Good jumping, Sari. So that's F. Frog starts with the letter F.
Mom, see 1.
Yep, you got A, B,
Mom, see 1.
1.
Yeah, see?
Oh, it looks like number 1.
Yeah.
That's right. Good job, Sari.
Thank you.
Next picture is... What is this, Sari?
Giraffe.
A giraffe. And giraffe starts with the letter
A.
G.
G.
G. Next would be
A horsey.
a horse. That's right, Sari. You're doing a good job. And horse starts with the letter
A.
H.
H. Ice cream.
Next picture is
Ice cream.
an ice cream. What letter does it start with? I. I. Can you move to the other side, please? I can see your back. I want to see your face. Alright, so the next picture
It's a jellyfish.
what is it again, Sari? What is it?
A
A
jellyfish.
jellyfish. And jellyfish starts with the letter J. It's J.
Oh.
J.
Oh.
What do you mean O?
Oh, here, this.
What's O?
Here.
Does it look like O
Yeah.
or I?
I.
O is round, circular, right? That's O. Okay. So after J,
1,
1,
2, 2,
2. Yay, that can be 2 as well, based on the Roman numerals. So we've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. The next picture is... Does Sari know this picture?
Kangaroo.
A kangaroo. Good job, Sari. Yes, a kangaroo hops.
Yeah. I put it over here. Look, see, I see pink.
They're all the same, right?
Yeah, pink. Pinky with this.
Alright. The next picture is... What's that,
A
Sari?
tiger.
Is it a tiger?
Yeah.
Look at the mane.
Yeah.
Look at the mane. Is that a tiger? It's a...
Lion.
What roars? A lion. Alright. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. The next picture is... Sorry, what is this?
Mermaid.
A mermaid, and mermaid starts with the letter M.
M.
M, yes. It's M. It's the letter M. The next picture is... Sorry, what is this?
Noodles.
Noodles. Alright, can you put them in order? Here. So just beside M, because N comes after M. And the next picture is... Sorry, what is this?
Octopus.
An octopus. Octopus starts with the letter... What letter is that?
O.
Oh, that's right. Good job. Here you go. Can you put O there, please? Thank you. Oh, and this one. This is the next picture.
Apple pie.
It's a pineapple.
Oh.
Pineapple. Pineapple starts with the letter P. Alright, so Sari will arrange them. Almost done, Sari. The next picture is... What is this?
Princess.
It's a
Flamingo.
queen. Queen. Queen starts with the letter Q. Okay. And now we have this. Sorry, what picture is this?
Bunny.
It's a bunny or a
Rabbit.
rabbit. And rabbit starts with the letter R.
You wait for the carrots.
Yes. They love carrots, right?
Yeah.
Do you love carrots? Do you eat carrots?
Yeah, that's vegetable.
It's a vegetable. Are you a bunny?
Yeah.
Are you a bunny? You're not a bunny, but you eat carrots because carrots are
Wait, good.
good. They're healthy. Yep. Okay, so this is the next picture. Are you ready to do the next picture?
Yeah.
Yep. Next picture is, what's this?
A sun.
Sun. And the sun starts with what letter?
A.
The first letter of your name. What letter is that? S.
S.
S. Next is... does Sari know this? What is this?
A birdie and a turtle.
A turtle or a tortoise, actually, Sari. So, tortoise starts with the letter T. Tortoise. So, we're doing the next picture. This is the next picture. And it's a
Weekend.
unicorn. Sari's favorite unicorn. Yeah, like your toy. Unicorn starts with what letter? U.
You. You.
And the next picture is a picture of a...
A lava.
What is that? Where does lava come from?
Volcano.
Volcano. Volcano starts with the letter
A.
V.
V.
V. What about this one? Is this your favorite?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Watermelon starts with the letter...
I need to take my watermelon on my school.
You want to take watermelon to school?
Yeah, I eat it.
Alright, you're gonna eat
What
it.
about my Oreos?
because it's yummy, right?
What about my Oreos?
Okay, we can take Oreos too and other biscuits. Watermelon starts with what letter?
W.
W. Next is a... Do you know this one? What is in the picture?
Cylophone.
A xylophone.
Different colors on the rainbow.
Yeah, it has different colors like the rainbow. And it starts with what letter? X. X. The next picture is... Sari, do you know what this is?
A boat.
A boat, or you call it a yacht.
Yacht.
A yacht. Okay, you put the yacht here. Yacht starts with the letter Y. The last letter of the alphabet
Zebra.
is
Zebra.
Z for zebra. Sari's right, that's a zebra. Start with the letter Z. So can you recite your alphabet? Can you point the letters?
Yeah.
Point the letters?
Yeah.
Alright. So point A, then B, C. Okay, do it. Can you do it, Sari? Let's sing the alphabet. 1, 2, 3. You put
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next I want to see at me.
Yeah, high five. Sari, wavy high five. Wavy high five. Wavy high five. Yeah. Thank you, Sari. Bye. Sari, look here.
Bye.
Look here.
Bye.